These are our dual shades from Lafayette. This front material here is our best-selling transition shade. The back layer, which you'll see here in a minute, is our blackout roller shades, and both of these shades are motorized, which is perfect for a master bedroom like we're in right now. Now that our blackout roller shade layer is down, you can see how darker our room is, even though we are at full daylight outside. I wanted to show you what was behind the valance before I put that on. We have a lot of layers going on back here. So our first layer will be our blackout roller shade, which is on the very back. So that can come down closer to the window. And then our next layer will be our light filtering transition shade, which comes out in the front. And then once we put our valance on, it will cover it all very nicely. There are two layers, and this is the back layer, which is the blackout roller shade, and it is motorized. So this is a fabric wrapped valance, and it is fully wrapped in the same material as we do for our transition shade. Here you can see that I have the sheer vanes open with the shades down, which allows us to see through, but still gives us some privacy. And we can always close these a little bit more if you want a little bit more privacy. With our transition shades, the big benefit to these is that they have alternating sheer vanes and fabric vanes, so it gives you a lot of flexibility with how much light and privacy you're allowing. And with our motorized feature, it has this neat little toggle feature on the remote, which allows you to really have a lot of precise control with your vanes.